Hello South Africa. 8-month-old baby survives, mother dies in N3 horrific collision. An 8-month-old baby is reportedly in a critical condition while her mother died in a collision on the N3 just past the Lions River off-ramp in KwaZulu-Natal. The horrific collision happened on Monday, January 23, 2023, around 1400 hours. According to Midlands Emergency Services, when crews arrived on the scene, they were met with a tragic scene where a single motor vehicle collided with the rear of a stationary truck in the emergency lane. Unfortunately, the driver had succumbed to her injuries before the crew's arrival. However, her 8-month-old daughter, who was in her car seat, survived the collision. The 8-month-old baby was stabilized on scene by Midlands EMS Advanced Life Support paramedics before being transported to hospital in a severe condition. All the necessary authorities were in attendance, the emergency service said. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.